Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kakan hon living roots handmade. Hennen kasngi kakakndai terek ujuleu. Kala pelong yaki jing aina miki tiar balasna daki kiti. Kom si benta bankan tiaw yaki nong snong hakani kejela. Haka kam shna jing shna daki kiti. Hakani kejelang kabala pelong halo marai motinagar. Laidan lang ru additional chief secretary kejela u PW INTIS beralong kongsan. Kadbau Director General ka Ministry of Information and Broadcasting jong ka Sarkar Preng u Kuldip Singh Dhadwalia IAS lolong sembot kongsan. Kathong jong ka kanhon living roots handmade kalong banyarap iki nosna tiar dakikti ki banakani kejela ban hikai ru yaki kumno ban sengi laki kam kejam da kabayeng halaki jong kijan. Hakani kasngi la paninam ru yaki tiar kitar ki blasnar kikti kum kijan kinam balathan panwandor itanan ki pla ki blakso da kiksa ki babonjan ki mat dor bala osrong panwandor bat kiwi di kijatiar bala penshok biet ki kenram kilandan ki balawan sakhi hakani kasngi.
These products, they are so attractive. They will be picked up by people who have the taste for these kinds of products. It's really attractive, and I'm sure it will do very well in many places. I think the School of Livelihood has done a very good job in skilling many people through some projects of various departments, like the Industries Department, and other items. I think also sericulture and rural development. So with these few words, I would like to wish this event all success. I hope you will go further on and pick up different themes, the themes which you are picking up.
My sleeves are stained red from all the truth that I've said. Can I it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me weak, no, I've been on the brink. So tell me what you want to hear. Something that I like those years. Something about me insincere.
So Boozy is a style of embroidery that has its other opulent embellishments such as sequins, beads, precious and semi-precious stones and pearls. Next is we have a showcase of we have a Zaragoza expressing flora and fauna drape.
Just don't let me disappear. I'ma tell you everything. Tell me what you want.
The patterns that we see are inspired by the animals and the plant species that we find in our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Captured the imagination of the designers and trickled down on the patterns that we see on this beautiful giant stone.